up till now, the experience of UI and UX is a very emotional one, where the emotions are mostly negative, where you're overwhelmed, you panic, you're frustrated, maybe even angry, maybe even feeling like you want to be resentful about something, or you feel a lot of failure, a sense of inadequacy. So in the future, what's going to happen is a qualitative shift where you start to feel delighted, where you start to say, I actually love what e-governance is doing towards me, for me, where you have a sense of pride that as an Indian, I have leapfrogged the rest of the world and I've understood that the future is not any tool. It is not any new technique. It is the shift from pixels to behavior design, from engineering to emotional design, and then from code to Indian culture, and how Indian culture will be steeped into it to create a deep connection, which I will feel at a very personal level, so that the machinery of the government turns into a caring, anthropomorphic connection with every citizen at 1.4 billion people and more. That's how I see the future.